So some of you may be wondering, why IBT? Why has HCA Bionet put so much effort and resources into developing this course? Well, it all started with the identification of a need for basic bioinformatics training for molecular biologists. HCA Bionet's Education and Training Working Group identified the need for basic bioinformatics training for individuals entering the discipline, or for those who needed a basic foundational understanding of the field before moving on to some more complex areas. Now, as I've said before, the intended audience for IBT is molecular biologists. However, if you are not from that background, it is not to say that you won't be able to cope with the course, but we do suggest doing some background reading on molecular biology before starting the actual course content, so that you are familiar with some of the more basic concepts. Although, if you cannot do this before the start of next week, that is not a problem. You should still be able to cope with the course, as it is very foundational and introductory. Although we aim to target molecular biologists, we would also like to target people with little to no bioinformatics experience who would like to develop their capacity in bioinformatics. Now, the way that IBT has been designed is that it's been designed as a skills-based curriculum, meaning that we have learning outcomes that are measurable skills that the participant would gain and that we are able to assess. And it is all based around what the participant will actually learn. Like I've said, we have a skills-based curriculum, meaning that we are teaching skills as well as concepts. And that is why I've previously said that we have both a theoretical and a practical approach to this course. We feel that it is very important for participants to be able to go out and perform the analysis on their own after the course, and for this reason we have opted to use only web-based application throughout the duration of this course. The reason why we have done that is to make sure that all applications are freely and openly accessible. No licensing is required, no downloading is required, and no maintenance of the software is required at your local institution. So for that reason, if you have any questions around how to access any of these tools, or if you are having any problems accessing any of these online applications, please do make the time to contact your TA or your systems administrator, or please to get in touch with us as the core team, and we will try to assist you as far as possible. Now, just to give you all an overview of what you'll be doing in this course, we have put together this slide. This course will touch on the following: resources and databases. We will give you a very quick introduction to the Linux environment. We will talk a bit about molecular evolution and phylogenetics. We will also then touch on sequence alignment, both in theory and in application. We'll also talk a bit about multiple sequence alignments, and then we'll end off with some genomics. We do also have a bonus module in proteomics available for you to do in your own time at the end of the course at any point. This will not be assessed, but does give you a bit of extra information, or does allow you to begin to go into the world of bioinformatics at a more intermediate level. So we suggest that you first complete all of these primary modules before moving on to that bonus module. The bonus module is not a requirement, it is not compulsory, it's at your own discretion, but we do feel that if you have completed the course, it is a very nice module to get you going in the world of bioinformatics and proteomics if you are interested in that field. Now I need you to watch the video labeled part 5, and I'll continue on from there. Thank you.